Hey, welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Kenwood 5-disc CD player to show you. The model number is CD-206. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact for you. Did you know that Keith Johnson and Michael Flash Flommer developed the HD CD together? Yeah, if you didn't know that, now you do. Let's go ahead and talk about this. On the rear panel of your device, you have the line output right here for standard audio. And then there's system control right here. You can set it to SL16 or XS8, depending on if you have a system. You probably don't need that. Then you have the input and output for the system hookup. And then over here you have digital audio. You can use coaxial or optical. To connect it, we'll just use the analog audio cable, just match up the colors. You can also use the digital if you prefer. And then you'll connect your power cable. You can connect this to just about any speaker, but I would recommend using an amplifier along with speakers similar to what you see here. But once you have it all connected, you can go ahead and power it up and insert a disc. And something that's nice about this is it doesn't have a remote control or a remote sensor on the unit, so you can use the entire thing without needing a remote for it. And then on the front panel, you have your power button right here. Then you have the text display button right here. If you have CDs that have the name of the tracks saved onto them, it will automatically display the name of the track right here. Most CDs don't have them, but some of the commercial CDs that you get can have them, and you can also save them on them if you burn your own CDs. And then you have all info, program mode, time display. You can adjust how the time is displayed on the screen. And then you have random play. By using that, it will randomly select a disc and then randomly select a track. Then you have repeat. You can turn that on and off. If it's on, it will play music endlessly. And over here you have your track skip button. You can skip to the next track. And then right here are your search buttons. You can search through a track really quickly by using that. And then here are your disc select buttons, your edit button, disc skip, you can skip to the next disc, eject button, stop, play and pause, and then down here you have your phone's jack. If you want to connect some headphones to it, you can do that. That's pretty much all there is for this Kenwood 5-disc CD player. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or order it on our online store.